Cooking with Ycar. So what did you cook?
Pancit.
It's not really pancit, is it?
Pancit bihon. They call it here mihon. Mihon.
Yeah, because if you say in Frisian minhun, that means my dog.
My dog, yeah. Mihon.
Yeah. So, where did you get the
red
beans?
gold.
Oh, a red gold? Where did you get it?
Pancit.
Yes.
And the beans from Pancit.
What did you make there?
Make the buttered chicken.
That's for 3 days.
That's only for 1 day.
For 1 day?
Yes.
Huh?
Come on, it's not enough.
So we will eat this?
Yes. This is for 2 days. It's for 1 day.
Is this for 2 days?
Yes.
No.
Yes, because I cannot eat a lot of stuff.
Is it? What do you think about me? I can eat it all.
I don't know.
Yes.
Can we eat?
Okay. What did you get more at the garden?
Zucchini.
How do we call it?
Courgette.
Courgette. Courgette, yes. And the other one? You need to have 2, then you can exercise. Okay. Show the world what you do with it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yay! Yes, that.
And this board. This is from Mika.
Wait. What are you doing with that? Is it also for exercise?
No.
Oh.
For eating. Wait. This is from.
This is small.
Hello?
Who is it? Who's calling?
Hello? Oh! Look. This is strawberries from the garden of Kirsten, and this is a raspberry. Come. Show me.
The people who are watching this are getting hungry too. Can you give them something?
Oh!
What's the flour?
This is edible flour.
Yes.
I don't know what it's called, but it tastes like radish. It's good when you make a salad with a vinaigrette. But now I cannot eat it because
It's yummy.
it's yummy with vinaigrette. But alone, no.
You keep on eating now.
But this is yummy.
Okay. Let's eat.
Come on.